Hello! Today we will learn to make a paper fish. So have a square paper with you and I will tell you how to make a fish using the paper.
Yeah.
Get ready with a piece of paper and see here.
See, yeah. Yeah.
So we start with a square paper and we first fold it. And we make also another fold. And we also make a straight fold. Now we have a fold like this, a fold like this, and a fold like this. Now what we do is so now we fold it along the line like this, and then we also fold it along this line. Just follow me here. Okay. Okay. Comes up. Triangle. Now we come. Another. And we have the fish ready. Just turn it back, fold it like this, you open it like this. Okay. And our fish is ready. To learn new drawings every day.
New drawings idea.
Yeah, new drawing ideas.
And paper craft idea.
And paper craft ideas.